I researched and tested some of the best carpet cleaners in order to find the best one. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what the perfect carpet cleaner is for you. Like the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe, a cleaner that's easy to use, can tackle larger spaces, and consistently deliver a deep, thorough clean, and is my choice as the best carpet cleaner for most people in 2023. The only problem is that the Scrub Deluxe isn't perfect for everyone. And if you don't know some specific things to look for, you can end up with a product that won't work well for you. Which is why I made sure to include options for all types of people. So regardless of what you intend on using it for, I'll have the best carpet cleaner for you. Like the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe, which comes with rotating brushes that can consistently deliver a deep clean, a large water tank, and 2 useful cleaning modes to deliver noticeable results. It has an upright design that weighs around 20 pounds and comes with a built-in ergonomic handle, so it's reasonably easy to maneuver around the house. It has a dual tank system with a 1G capacity that can effectively clean larger spaces, which is on par with the more expensive ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro I'll mention shortly. It has a separate tank for the cleaning solution to ensure you're using an appropriate ratio. Even more, it has a convenient dirty water tank stopper that automatically cuts the power when the tank is full to help prevent overflowing. It comes with an efficient cleaner head design that cleans evenly across for greater efficiency. And it comes with a spin scrub brush that rotates 360 degrees to keep clean your carpets and a dual V nozzle to deliver even suction for quicker results. You also get 2 cleaning modes, a wash mode that uses a cleaning solution for tougher messes and a rinse mode that only uses water to remove all soap from your carpets. It also features heat force technology that uses hot air to deliver faster drying times, along with several useful accessories for greater cleaning versatility. The Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe is a high-quality offering that features several user-friendly features, a built-in heating system to help your carpets dry, and effective cleaning performance in almost any situation. If you don't want to pay a premium price but still want an effective option that can thoroughly eliminate dirt from most surfaces, this is an excellent carpet cleaner to consider. By the way, if you want to know the best pricing on the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe or any other product I mentioned in this video, check the links in the description. Next up, a lot of people might be looking for a high-quality cleaner that can efficiently remove pet dander or odors from carpets and quickly deliver visible results. The Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro checks those boxes, and it's my choice as the best carpet cleaner for pet owners in 2023. Bissell's ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro is a powerful carpet cleaner that comes with several useful attachments to eliminate pet hair, a high-capacity tank, and 2 cleaning modes to deliver a thorough clean each time. The design is larger and heavier than many competitors on this list and requires a bigger space for storage, but it's relatively easy to maneuver and comes mostly assembled for user convenience. I also like that it has a low-profile head, so it can easily fit underneath most furniture. It has 2 tanks that both come with an ample 1-gallon capacity, which makes it ideal for cleaning larger areas, but some settings drain the tank rapidly. In addition, it has a removable nozzle and brush that allow for easy maintenance over time, and you get a 5-year limited warranty to guarantee long-term performance. You get an 11-inch wide cleaning path that can cover larger areas with a single pass, and it comes with a useful pre-treatment feature to help break apart stubborn stains. Contrast to cheaper models like the Hoover PowerDash, I'll mention next it comes with 2 dedicated cleaning modes to tackle various tasks, including Express mode for quick or small tasks, and a Max Clean mode that delivers professional-grade cleaning power for particularly tough jobs. It also comes with various tools and attachments, such as Clean Shot Pre-Treater Pedal, a 3-inch tough stain tool, a 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool, and more. The Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro is a deep cleaning machine that comes with a large tank to extend the cleaning time and enough power to reliably eliminate tough or stubborn stains. This is an excellent choice if you have pets and want something that can quickly and efficiently remove stubborn dander, smells, or grime. Some people might be looking for a carpet cleaner that's easy to use, easy to store, and offers in-depth cleaning potential for a good price. The Hoover PowerDash carpet cleaner is an excellent choice, and I believe it's the best carpet cleaner for the money in 2023. Hoover's a well-known name in the industry, and their PowerDash carpet cleaner is an affordable alternative to premium competitors that comes with a lightweight design and can efficiently remove smaller messes. It has a compact frame that only weighs around 12.5 pounds, so it's easy to carry between rooms or maneuver in tight spaces. And it has a 20-foot power cord that offers a solid range of motion when cleaning. It comes with an antimicrobial pet brush roll to protect against odors and efficiently remove hair from carpeting, but maintaining the brush and brush compartment can be somewhat difficult. Unfortunately, it lacks the capacity of higher-end models such as the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro, but it has a dual-tank system with a half-gallon clean water tank for smaller spaces or spot cleaning and a separate tank for dirty water. With the 10-inch cleaning path is somewhat narrow, it offers impressive performance on most levels of carpet pile for the price, excels at removing grime and hair from carpets, which makes it a good choice for households with pets. It uses heat cleaning to dissolve stubborn dirt for in-depth sanitization and has a convenient heat force feature to help speed the drying process. It doesn't come with as many advanced features as some other models on this list, but it's incredibly easy to use and can reliably eliminate dirt or pet messes for a good price. Is the Hoover PowerDash carpet cleaner going to be the perfect choice for everyone? No, as it lacks the capacity and power required for larger or heavy-duty messes, but it does a lot of things well and offers impressive cleaning performance for the price, which is why it's an excellent choice for anyone who doesn't want to spend too much money. If you're looking for the carpet cleaner that offers the best mixture of user-friendly controls, build quality, and overall cleaning performance, the Hoover Smartwatch Automatic FH5300PC is my choice as the best overall carpet cleaner in 2023. With its convenient low-profile design, automatic motion sensing technology, added stain pre-treatment wand, and excellent performance, the Hoover Smartwatch Automatic FH5300PC is a high-quality option that can efficiently eliminate stubborn grime. It's not the lightest or most compact option on this list, but it has built-in wheels that make it easy to maneuver and a user-friendly assembly process out of the box. It has a low-profile design that allows it to fit underneath most furniture and a convenient triggerless handle, so you won't need to continuously hold a power button to clean. In addition, it features a dual-tank system with half-a-gallon dirty water tank and an ample 1-gallon clean water tank to tackle larger jobs or spaces. It also has a removable nozzle to maintain the brushes and a large opening on the dirty water tank for easy cleaning as needed. It has a 12.75-inch cleaning path to efficiently cover more ground with each pass, and it utilizes automatic motion sensing technology that disperses cleaning solution when pushed forward and dries the surface when pushed backward. It also has a useful auto mix feature, which automatically dispenses an appropriate amount of solution depending on the cleaning task. Unlike the previous model, it also comes with an added removable stain pre-treatment wand that can remove difficult messes or stubborn stains, along with FlexForce pet brushes to remove most dirts or debris, a 2-in-1 antimicrobial pet tool for dander, and more. The Hoover Smartwatch Automatic Carpet Cleaner FH5300PC is an excellent option that comes with 2 large water tanks, a useful auto mix feature to optimize your soap use, and powerful technology to eliminate caked-in dirt or grime from your carpets. This is an excellent option if you want an efficient carpet cleaner that can eliminate stains or dirt without paying a professional-grade price. Finally, people might want a powerful option that delivers premium cleaning performance and can easily eliminate tough or stubborn stains. The Bissell Big Green Professional is a great professional-grade carpet cleaner to consider. The Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner costs more than the other options on this list, but it comes with 2 high-capacity water tanks, a powerful motor, and extra-large brushes to tackle demanding jobs. It has a massive frame that weighs around 40 pounds, so it's not the easiest to maneuver, but it comes pre-assembled, and you only need to drag it straight past to clean your space. You get 2 large water tanks with a 1.75-gallon capacity, which is the highest on this list and ideal for cleaning large areas, and it can be used with various Bissell products for enhanced results. It has an assortment of easy-to-use controls, including an on-off switch, a trigger that dispenses soap, and a convenient spinning flow indicator that lets you know when the solution needs refilling. It utilizes a powerful motor that can efficiently clean any type of carpet, so it's a good choice for large, open rooms. The extra-large power brushes offer professional-grade cleaning on fabrics and can reliably eliminate stubborn or lingering pet odors. And you get a 10.5-inch cleaning path to cover a good amount of ground. It's not as effective at cleaning pet hair as the ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro, but it can eradicate most difficult stains or grime with ease. In addition, it comes with some useful attachments, such as a 6-inch tough stain tool for spot cleaning and a 9-foot hose for hard-to-reach areas. The Bissell Big Green is likely too powerful and advanced for most people, but it's a powerful carpet cleaner that's easy to use, offers impressive efficiency, and can reliably deliver a more thorough clean than the cheaper models mentioned. If you can afford the price or need a professional-grade option that can handle heavy-duty jobs or difficult messes, this is the perfect carpet cleaner for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video.